What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today I'm going to bring you guys a really quick, simple haul video. It's an Aldi's haul. We got some really great deals on some groceries, so we're going to share them with you. So let's get right to work. Alright, so the total for all the groceries here was $33.46. Basically we got a good amount of veggies. This is just like middle of the week haul for some little things that we needed that we normally eat, and then some wants that that we wanted to try. So I have two big pineapples here, and for these we paid $1.50 each, and these are great because they have tons of fiber, enzymes, and great for the belly. Also very nutritious, a lot of vitamin C and other nutrients. We eat pineapple pretty regularly, and I'm trying to grow it in the garden so then I don't have to go to the store or buy them anymore. This is some everything bagel seasoning. We just want to try this on like avocado toast when we do have it on the rare occasion, and on other things. It's a topper. We've been hearing a lot about this and seeing it on YouTube, so we were curious to try it. I think we paid like $1 for this. So really cheap. Actually $1.95, so really cheap. These are just some regular pasta. We don't eat a lot of pasta, we don't eat a lot of processed foods, but from time to time we like to indulge, and I wanted to try pasta curry recipe. So we got some pasta, we got 3 boxes. These were like 85 cents a piece. Organic black beans. We normally use dry beans, and we cook them in our pressure cooker first, and then use them. But these canned ones are organic, and they come in handy when you want to make a quick recipe and you don't have anything else prepared. They're very handy. I think we pay like less than $1 for these. 89 cents a can. So really good. One of these is more than a meal for one person. Organic tomato ketchup, just for ingredients, different things. You guys know ketchup. This is General Tso's Asian sauce, and I wanted to try this in one of my cauliflower recipes, or you know, using in different Asian recipes. Normally I make all my sauces and things like this I can pretty easily make, but I just wanted to try something new and to give you guys the option, let you know how it is if you want to, you know, keep it simple. Chili starter. This is pretty cool. Non-GMO. These were like 80 cents a can. This you just add beans to, and you got yourself a delicious, nutritious vegan meal. I haven't tried them, so I'm gonna do a video on them and let you guys know if it's a yay or a nay. One of these, you could just probably add 2 cans of kidney beans, mix it up, maybe add a little bit of onion or something if you want, and then if it's good, this is pretty easy and amazing and nutritious. Also very cheap. On the organic bananas, we pay 58 cents per pound. Very affordable, ready to eat food whenever you're hungry. They are perfect. Here we got some tomatoes, ripe vine tomatoes. Most of the year I grow my own tomatoes. I never have to buy these. This summer it's been really challenging. Most of my tomato plants died because of the heat, and we've been having some really intense drought. So I cannot water them enough to keep them alive. So we kind of just decided to forego tomatoes until the fall. And we just bought these to try them out. I think they were $1.90, $2.49 for the package of 6, which to me is outrageous because we grow tons of tomatoes basically for free all year. And here we got some apples. I don't eat a lot of apples, but you know, occasionally I like them. We can't grow apples in Florida, so this is something that we definitely have to buy from the store. We try to grow as much of the food as we can, but apples is not one of those things that we can grow. This bag, so this bag of apples right here is 3 pounds and it's $2.99. Pretty great deal. It's basically like 50 cents per pound of apple. Really good. And they're also organic. So basically $1 per pound of apple. I'm sorry, they're organic, $1 per pound. Pretty cheap. And here I have some sweet peas. These are organic, and I think I paid like $1 or something for these. $1.99 for the bag. And this I'm gonna use for my my vegan curry pasta. And here I have some Tikka Masala sauce. This was... Alright, so this sauce was $1.99. And like I said, I make most of my sauces, everything I do myself. But I wanted to really try this just to see what the flavor is like, and maybe I can piggyback off of it and then create my own similar if I really like it. So this is $1.99 for this bottle, and I'll probably do a recipe video with this and let you guys know what I think. Alright, so that's basically our little food haul. Let us know in the comments below if you guys want to see me do more food haul videos. I really enjoyed it, really simple. We shop a lot at Sam's, and I could do another food haul there, so let me know if you guys want to see it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you really soon on the next one.